Hi, I'm Dr. Shai Karp with North Broward Chiropractic, and we are now proud to offer true non-surgical spinal decompression to our patients and community. So when we talk about spinal decompression, the first question that needs to be answered is what the difference is between traction and decompression, or true decompression. Now, we've all heard of a situation where a patient has an acute disc injury, like a disc herniation or a disc bulge, and they went to physical therapy and they get put in traction. Traction, it has no brain. It's just a mechanism that pulls and relaxes, pulls and relaxes. That's traction. Now, decompression, on the other hand, it's completely different. It's computerized. It has a brain, if you will. In fact, it flies under what we call the radar in regards to muscle response or muscle stimulus. Now, in traction, when the machine pulls, muscles pull back, and then it pulls more and muscles pull back. And if you have a situation with a patient with an irritated disc, those muscles can now go into spasm, and you get a full-on tug-of-war of machine pulling against spinal musculature. Now, studies show if a patient is in traction and muscles are going into spasm and they already have an acute disc injury, it could increase the pressure inside the disc, either worsening the disc or forcing a patient into an emergency situation or maybe even a surgical situation. Now, SpineMed non-surgical decompression is the exact opposite of traction. In fact, when I say it flies below the radar, muscle contraction or muscle stimulus, it is so advanced and so sensitive that even if a muscle contracts the slightest bit, it will recalibrate, shut down almost, and then start back over, so it targets the disc specifically, and there's no muscle contraction whatsoever. Now, when you take that true focal decompression of that disc without any sort of muscle contraction whatsoever, it allows nutrients and healing properties to get into the disc and actually repair. Non-surgical spinal decompression is an effective treatment for disc herniations, disc bulges, numbness and tingling into hands or feet, sciatica, disc degeneration, or even failed neck or low back surgeries. This incredible, gentle, and proven technology, it not only can stop a neck or a low back surgery, but it can completely alter the trajectory of somebody's life. To find out if you're a candidate for non-surgical spinal decompression, call for a complimentary consultation or MRI review. Here at North Broward Chiropractic, we're helping you move forward.